What is Oculus Rift? So Oculus Rift is basically these 3D glasses which completely block off all surroundings, which immerses you into a world that you can interact with as if it was real. It has not yet been released. A consumer version has not yet been released, but it will be available sometime in 2016. But you can test one here at our library today. The only version that is out right now is the developer's version, which costs around $350. So the trick to the Oculus Rift is that it creates 3D gaming environment by taking two 2D images in a split screen manner, but each feed is at a slightly different angle, which tricks the player's brain into thinking that the two 2D images is in fact one 3D image. You'll see an example in the next one. As you see the two screens, those are two 2D images, but since they're displayed at a slightly different angle, it makes it look like one 3D image, which is tricking your brain. This is some of the information I have stated. And the Oculus Rift, even as we speak, the developer's version is being tested with games that are already existing, like Battlefield, Skyrim, or Call of Duty. So, for an example, I will show you some gameplay for this. Another thing I forgot to mention, the Oculus Rift requires a separate input via mouse, controller, or keyboard, as you notice here, with the case that he has begun in the controller. And it will also work with computer and mobile devices. And as you see, they're testing the Oculus Rift with many different features, like the treadmill. Here's another example of how they're using it with current game systems. As you see, it blocks off the viewer's surroundings, so it completely immerses him into the game.
Hi, my name is Jan Gutgulek. I'm the developer of the Omni.
So here, just so if you need the facts that I've stated, so a 3D gaming environment is created by taking two 2D images in a split screen manner, but each feed is at a slightly different angle, which tricks the player's brain into thinking that the two 2D images is in fact one 3D image. And if you need like more of an explanation, here's a link to Palmer Luckey, the founder of Oculus Rift, talking about how it works. And it completely blocks your view of the real world and instead immerses you into this interactive virtual world which seems just as real as the real world. And this is another video that talks about what Oculus Rift does to your brain, how does it trick it. And some of the new games that will be coming out with the Oculus Rift, like Eve Valkyrie, like this you're in space and you're trying to shoot down other aliens and stuff. You also have Doom 3 coming out, BFG edition, which I think is a zombie game. And you have Half-Life 2. I think you guys already know what that is. And yeah, that is all.